like them. Jamming on the beat. It sells me out and nothing like them.
Hi guys. Hey, if you're new here, I'm Deb. And today I have my household item box from Kong Wholesale. And yes, I'm still sick. I don't have any makeup on, but I got a shower and then I had to take a nap. But I'm doing much better than I was. And I do appreciate all the thoughts and prayers. It meant the world to me. But anyway, this box cost me, let's see what it says. I can't remember. And you know, the glasses have been found, so we can read again. Okay, it was a total of $71.25, and that was with shipping. And this is called the Deluxe Home Kitchen Large 16 by 16 by 16. And I do believe they have a smaller one of these. And this is KK Wholesale, and it's out of Jeffersonville, Indiana. Indiana. So anyway, I have to do this because I gotta restock my store. And I don't have that much left in it. Yeah, because everything's been selling, so, and where I've been sick, I haven't been able to stock for 2 weeks, so I gotta get something in there. So anyway, the first thing I'm getting is one of these Bright Room cubes, and this is one of the, these aren't like the ones you get at Dollar Tree. These are bigger, and they're more sturdy. I have noticed that with those, because I've got one of those before. And then I got a fast charging cable for an iPhone or iPad. We'll just throw that over there in the kids' pile, because they're always stealing them. And then we got a Fiskars pruner. And I will say, I have had one theft. And it was, I believe it was wire cutters. And they were good wire cutters, but they just took them out of the package and stole them. But you're going to have that, so that's okay. And then I have a Blue Sky Green Earth planning calendar for January 2025 to December 2025. No, I don't have my nails on, and I've got them built all the way to the quick. But this has, you know, your little tabs here, and it's got your yearly goals, and it's got a little folder in the front. So there's that, which, okay. And I got this Figment stainless steel ladle. And guys, I will tell you this Figment stuff has been just selling like wildfire. It has really been selling. And here is a silicone pancake turner. Well, it says turner. It's heat resistant up to 450 degrees, dishwasher safe, and BPA free. And then we have OXO Softworks, and it's the measuring cups and spoons. And this item has been selling too. These items have been selling pretty good too. So I'm kind of glad to get them. Then we have Figment silicone spatula set, and it's a set of 2. Now, I also want to tell you, if you're local here, my store is at Peddler's Junction. My ID number is 3280, I believe. But it's right close to the storage room, and so it's about halfway back. Then we have OXO, and this is a strainer, or people use it too to put powdered sugar on things. So, then we got soap. Then we got a 16-inch bicycle tube. This is household goods, anything could be in your house, basically. Okay, then I got this. Here's another one down here. And these are Coleman emergency ponchos, which are great for baseball games. And I'm skipping tonight, but I'm hoping to go Friday. He has a home game Friday. Tonight it's about an hour away, so I don't think I can handle it, so. But anyway, okay, then we got Cuisinart 6-piece magnetic measuring spoon set. And they're, which I'll take it out of this outer plastic so it looks better on my hooks. because I do have hooks that I can put in there. Let's see that. And they all just hook together. And you can put them like on your range hood or whatever. And I got this little purse. And it is by A New Day. And it's new with tags. And it converts from crossbody to and it's got $25 price tag on it. So I'll just, and I usually set my prices half of what it is on Amazon or Target, whichever. If I can't find it on Amazon, then I'll set it on half the price at Target. And then I got microfiber cleaning cloths, and there's a 3 count here. And there's, you know, the checked and 2 different shades of blue. And here is what are these? Threshold 2-pack printed hand towel. And that's those. They are kind of ugly, but they're hand towels nonetheless. They are kind of ugly. Then I got this one. This is a Capello Talk Round with dual alarms. And it's just an alarm clock. It's battery powered. Tap on for the backlight. Then we have a roll of tape. And here is a pack of wash rags. 6-pack. There's a 6-pack of wash rags. And here's some cupcake cups. And there's 2 of them, which I'll just take them in there and put them in my stash because, you know, you can use these at Christmas just as well. Those kids don't care. Those kids don't care. You can use them for muffins, whatever. And then I have a 5-foot lightning connector. And this is for iPhone, iPad. I'll stick that over there for the kids. For now, anyway. I don't know what I'll do with it later, but. And here's an HDMI display port to HDMI adapter. Let's see what goes with the video game, actually. I kind of think so, but I'm not sure, so I'll just stick that in the pile. Because if I don't know what it does, then I probably don't need it. And then here's 2 packs of Crest. I'll put that back in the coupon goods. That way when the kids need it, they can just go back and get it. And this is Ultra Soft Flat Sheet. Then we have, it's a birthday candle with a number 1. Then we have these. These are 16 birthday candles. Let's see what we got down here. Down here. And here's Figment stainless steel measuring spoons. And like I said, those, for some reason that stuff sells. And then here's 16 more birthday candles. Okay. Let's run down to just the big stuff. Yeah. They kind of do a Jumanji type thing here. The way they stack these things in here. And this is Mandarin Hibiscus Lotus Blossom Coconut Reed Diffuser. I'm gonna be honest with you. I don't care for these things. I think after you put them out for a day, you don't smell them anymore. I don't really care for them, but that's me. Stop. Okay. And I got this. This is a Let Home Life Flipped Laundry Hamper. Which, let's see what we got here. I don't know where that came from. I may have to open this just so I could sit it out so they can see what it is. But it's very heavy, so I would imagine it's probably wooden framed. And then we have this. And this is a hurricane taper holder. No, let's see if we can get it open. Yeah, get it open. See what she looks like. This is what it looks like. That's it. Without being rude, shouldn't there be a base? Maybe there is. Maybe it's on the bottom. Yeah, here it is. Here it is. Yeah, I thought it should have a base somewhere. And it looks like that. And then you put your taper right in there. So yep, there's that. So I'm gonna put it back away before I break it. Because, you know, I'm a little clumsy. Come on. Okay. So there's that. Which is interesting. I mean, it would look nice on a fireplace. And then the last thing in this box is okay, it's either 5x7 or 10x12 frames. There's one white and one black. So there's that. There. They got really nice hooks on the back. They got gallery hooks on the back. So anyway, that is this month's, and I'm going to go ahead and order a similar Target box and then probably a baby box too this month, because like I said, I just need stuff to put in there to sell. So anyway, that's my Kong Wholesale box. So come on back, like, subscribe. Hope people need love too. Bye.